Hello, this is me, and today I'm gonna show you my ironclad. I think boat. No, it's not a boat. The rest, this is bet for going to the end, except when you know when you tilt sideways. I wonder why I put this thruster here. It flings me. But anyways, let's go. I should delete the camera. Chill and let's finally go. This is why I just hate it. I should leave it. Yeah. So let's go back. There's no way to build a boat anymore. Except they might build the boat. Which makes no sense because everybody's kind of saying that there's no boats. Except for the Titanic and the Titanic only. Well, that's it. Goodbye.